Hello everyone, I'm John from 5X Racing. Today we're going to show you how to install the 5X Racing grip shift and our other line of shifters for the Mazda Miata and other cars too, depending on your shift knob thread. So it's really easy. It's just a twist on, twist off type of thing. You basically twist off your stock shift knob and you twist on the 5X Racing shift knob. The only adjustment that needs to take place is if you want your logo on the end cap centered. So this is really simple. We provide the Allen key that's needed for the loosening of the rings, the style rings we have on here. On the smaller shift knobs, the Rogue shift knobs and the Vans grip shift knobs, the clamps actually hold the grip onto the core, and on our grip shift knobs, the ring is just to finish the look and the cap. It's not holding the grip on like it is the other styles. So basically you're looking at just adjusting the logo to where it's facing the driver or facing the rear window or however you want it. So we're just basically going to show you how to adjust the cap once it's installed. Okay, so we're in the car. This is my 2006 MX-5. It's a 5-speed car, which is kind of unique. But anyways, the concept is the same for any shift knob in any Miata MX-5, NA, NB, NC, ND, or any vehicle basically with a 10 by 1.25 thread pitch. So you're going to want to twist off your original shift knob, turning it clockwise. Sometimes they're on there really tight. You have to give it a good twist, but they are all threaded on the same way, and then you pop it off. Simple. And then you take your 5X Racing grip or 5X Racing Rogue Shorty shift knob. Differences in these shift knobs are highlighted in another video. Either way, you take your 5X Racing shift knob. We'll use the Rogue Shorty here for this example. Go ahead and twist it on. And then you're going to want to tighten it really good with your hand. Obviously you don't want to put a channel lock or anything on it. So as you can see, the logo, the 5X Racing logo, is facing the wrong way. So this is why we provide to you the little Allen key. So basically you just loosen up the two Allen key bolts, not all the way, but just enough to where you can get the shift knob to rotate on the core. And you can feel it when it does it. You turn it to where you want it. We would suggest centered. And basically just give it a tighten. And you can tighten these pretty good, top and bottom. And there you have it. Your logo is now where you want it. We're OCD about it, so we always like it centered towards the back so you can see it. Obviously, we love that you're running the 5X Racing logo in your car. We also have blank caps on here if you do not want to have the 5X Racing logo. We hope you choose to, but if not, we also have those available for those that want a cleaner look with no branding. So that's it. Now you have your new weighted 5X Racing shift knob in your Miata MX-5. And hope you enjoy it. These are very thoughtfully crafted by me. Everything is made in the USA, from the ODI grips to the steel shifter cores underneath, and all are hand assembled by me, custom to your order because of the color combinations available. So with that, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment on the bottom if you have any questions, or just give us an email at team@5xracing.com. I'm going to put the link to these shift knobs in the description too, just so if you are interested and this is the first time you're rolling across it, there's an easy way to get to our website to find them and hopefully purchase them. So thanks again. We'll see you on the next one.